Hello, hello, hello. Last video of the year. Just before Christmas. I'm in Vancouver, gorgeous, wintry, snowy time. And what are you going to be doing for Christmas? Are you going to be creating more pleasure in your life? Are you ready to create a more orgasmic life? Now, as women, we are multi-orgasmic. So we can go on these long orgasmic journeys of, we have so many erogenous zones in our bodies. As men, you can also go on orgasmic journeys. You can go on an incredible orgasmic journey with your partner, take her, go with her, experience with her. And you can also, by withholding ejaculation, you can go on a multiple orgasmic internal journey of your own. How does that sound? Sounds pretty amazing to me. And on these cold winter days, if you're living in the northern hemisphere, it's worth it. It's a way to warm up, a way to feel alive, a way to like pass the Christmas time. I know it's Christmas is a tough time for many people. Coming together with families can be intense. They're still trying to get together with families during this COVID season. I'm with my family and half the family is sick right now. That's just what happens around family time. So, we're in bed, we're all nice and cozy. It's a time to cozy up and to be together, to explore together. Last night we had a bath together. It was so nice just to be together with the candlelight and just chilling in the bath and talking and touching. And, you can start to do some of these really beautiful connective things with your partner. If you are a woman, or if you are a partner who has a woman as your partner, 2023 is going to be the time of orgasmic living. Okay, so we're starting now. We're going to start really tapping into our own ability to self-pleasure, to feel orgasm in our body, to love our bodies, to tap into all of the erogenous zones in our bodies. When you're able to do this as a woman, you can then connect to your own pleasure. You connect to it at a deeper level. You connect to it where you really understand, well, if I touch myself here, if I stimulate myself this way, I start to create even more sensation within my body. I'm not just talking about self-pleasure where it's a quick, one-off with a toy or like watching a little bit of porn. I'm talking about deeper energetic connection to your body. So it's a slow opening. The energy moves, the energy grows, the energy expands. You feel it in certain parts of your body, then moves to other parts of your body, and then expands out to your partner's body. It's a whole, basically sexual energetic dance that you have with your partner. And this is what is done in Tantra, and what we are talking more and more about and introducing to people in ways that it's just very, it's very simple, but it's something that many women have not done for a very, very long time, and many men as well. Thinking, there's this old thought process of the woman waiting for the man to pleasure them so that they can feel pleasure and they can have orgasms, the man being the one responsible for giving the orgasms or creating the pleasure within her body. But he doesn't know what she really wants, because there's no conversation going on, and also because she hasn't explored herself at many other kind of layers and levels of her own body to understand what she really wants. So she doesn't even know what she really wants. I mean, the cultural process is just to wait for him to stimulate her. And no, that doesn't feel good. I don't like it. I don't know if this is not turning me on. Maybe our connection's not there anymore, or I'm not turned on by this guy. All right, he can't do it for me, I'm gone. But it's not about him. It's not about the man stimulating the feminine. It's not about one stimulating the other. It's about each of you coming into your own desires and understanding your own bodies at a very deep level, okay? Or even just a level of any level sort. I've gone into this a whole new exploration for myself, coming into a new relationship. My old relationship, there was a lot of domination going on on his part. Dominant, submissive kind of interaction, kinky kind of interaction. which was fun, and we enjoyed it, and I enjoyed it, and it was a whole exploration that is possible to do as well. But at the same time, it got too deep on the dominant side. Too much control was expected by him, even to the point of not being able, not him not wanting me touching my body. He was in control of touching, how it was to be touched, and how I was to feel. And I fell into it for a while, and then I said, like, no, this is not working. I'm not happy. I'm not connecting to you anymore. Like, I don't know what's going on exactly, but I'm not connecting. I need to find my own connection, and I'm not sure how to do that, but I have to go on that journey. I need to find a deeper love. I said I need to find a deeper love, and I really meant that deeper love for me. So I've gone on that journey the last 5 years, and a lot of it has been about self-acceptance, self-pleasure, self-understanding, right? What is it that makes me feel good? How do I like to be touched to feel good? What does my body respond to? And it takes a lot of, exercises and perseverance, because I'm 58. I've gone through a long period of time and I have done self-pleasure, but not like at a really, really deep level. Always sort of in that cultural way of thinking that I have to wait to, and I have to expect that he is going to be the one that helps create the orgasm in my body. Not anymore, not anymore. And this is what a lot of teachers are teaching now, what I want to teach, what I have been teaching women over the last couple of years, especially more self-pleasure, more understanding their own bodies. When they understand their bodies, when we as women understand our bodies and know what our desires are, we can easily teach our partners who need the information. Once they know, it's like revelation, right? It's revelation that, whoa, I'm able to please her. I know exactly what she wants. I know exactly what to do. And, you may know, if you're listening in and you're a man, you may know, oh, I know how to please my partner. I know what she likes. But how about going even deeper into that and finding out what else she likes, what other areas of her body, what other things that you can do by getting her to do some self-exploration so that she can come back to you and say, hey, I've explored a bit here and I've found out some really, really key information that's going to help me go into a deeper orgasmic state, explore other orgasms with you, with your help, and you to feel this energy of my feminine let go, my wild feminine be free. It's just a perfect combination. The masculine energy, the man is also there to learn, to be the space holder for the feminine energy. And as you're learning through your partner, you learn about yourself as well. Okay? You learn patience. You learn to ride the orgasmic state, which then builds it and grows it and feels, much more, your body gets much more imbued by that energy. Not just sort of a slow, quick fix, letting go of all the energy, and then your whole body hasn't actually gotten to an activation. So it's a dance. It's a beautiful orgasmic dance that we go into. And I'm opening up a portal January 15th for women, orgasmic living. So send all your wives, girlfriends, friends, lovers, send them to this January 15th portal. Link is in the bio. Go there. All the information is going to be there. Come and join us. This is where we're going to really dive into the orgasmic way of living. We're going to dive into the feminine mysteries. We're going to do explorations and experiences and support each other. And you're going to come out, that woman is going to come out, you as a woman, you're going to come out transformed into a much more orgasmic being, okay? So really looking forward to having you participate. And George, please, I'm finishing my video. Why are you doing that? No, thank you. So yes, the orgasmic state. I'm just trying to finish a video and he's plugging into my phone. All right. Have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I will see you in 2023. Mwah. Much love making.